Rainforest Cafe. Whee! Yep. There. Rainforest. Wait, she has a wedgie. Cleared. Yay! Rainforest Cafe. Yay! Yeah, the glow cave. Yay! Yay! Just cha-cha. Yay! Ew. Anyways. Yay! Freaking Rainforest Cafe. This is where I work for days upon days, upon hours upon hours. This is where I am when I'm away from you. When nice thing, no. Wait, go to the fish tanks. There's the fish tanks, yay! The fishies. Wait, yeah, sorry, go, yeah. There's fish tanks. Fish tanks. Fish tanks. The fish, sorry, yeah. God. Oh, look, there's more fishies, yay! Fishies, yay! Fishies. Restaurant. Oh well, we go to the restaurant. Miranda, Where, and there we go. Enough of this damn place. That is Rainforest Cafe. Yay.